How to deposit money in Phantom wallet from Binance. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to deposit money from Binance to Phantom wallet. Now, after you open up your phone, now go and open up your Phantom wallet. After you open Phantom wallet, go to receipt. So after you tap on this receipt button, so from this section, you can go ahead now and select the address of the coin you want to deposit. For me, let's say I want to deposit Solana. So copy the Solana address and go back to Binance. After you open Binance like this, now go to this asset. After you come to this asset, go to withdrawal. So withdrawal again. In this section, now tap on this search and search for Sol. So tap search for Sol like this. Now here is Solana. Tap on it. So from this section, select this first one. So from this section, now paste in the Solana address that you copy. So here is my Solana address and here is Solana. So in this option, here is the minimum amount of Solana that I can be able to send from Binance. That's 0.1. So just type in the amount you want to send, 0.8. So from this section, you can be able now to see the network fee. Now, if I tap on this withdraw button, from there now I can be able now to deposit money into my Phantom wallet from Binance. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe.